welcome back to my channel and happy Tuesday in this week in my life vlog. Right now I am about to go meet Cassie because she is here for an event. So she's been at the event, I've been working, so I'm gonna go meet up with her for a little bit. And yeah, we're gonna start off this vlog. This should be a fun week, and I also think I'm gonna vlog next week, so 2 weekly vlogs coming for you guys. Yeah, so let's go. Looks like they're putting the Christmas tree up at the Grove. Look, it's our activewear queen, Cassandra. Beats the collection.
Lululemon X's me.
We just ate lunch, and now we're going to La La Land to get Cassandra a matcha. Okay, we are back from our very late lunch with Cassie, but it was so nice to see her just for the little bit of time that we could. And now I'm about to turn on the TV and I'm about to watch Dancing with the Stars. I think I've said this in another vlog, but I'm obsessed with Dancing with the Stars. I watch it every single season, and this is the 500th episode tonight, so I've heard and I've seen that they're gonna like pull out some crazy things, like some past pros are gonna come back, so I'm like really excited to see what they're gonna do. It's also the quarterfinals, semifinals, something. There's like only a couple couples left, so I'm so excited to like see how everything plays out. I am really rooting for Joey and Danny to win. I really am so hoping that either one of them wins. I love Chandler and I really feel like she could win, but like Joey and Danny have shown like so much progress and they've really surprised me. Like I really hope one of them wins. They've been doing so well. And obviously I love Steven and Riley so much, and I'm really rooting for them. I'm rooting for everybody. Honestly, like this season has been so good. Like I honestly have been rooting for everyone, like Alona and Alan, like literally everyone. They're doing so well. So I'm like really like curious as to like what happens tonight and then like the rest of the season to like see who wins. But I literally am obsessed with Dancing with the Stars and I'm so excited to watch. Okay guys, happy Tuesday. It is a lot later in the day today. I'm with Melanie and we're about to go to the Brand Edit holiday like gifting suite. So we just got here. We're gonna get out of the car now and go. They have so many different brands. Petition to have more board games at gifting suites. This is the most amazing thing I've ever seen in my life. Like, hello? There's also really cute holiday stuff from Lulu's. This dress is so cute. They're all so gorgeous. There's another rack over here. All of these bags, I can't. Oh, vlogging? Hey! Okay, we left the gifting suite and now we're just like on Melrose. We're gonna go shoot our outfits. If you wanna do fit check.
Yeah.
Okay. My shirt is from Anine Bing, I don't know how you pronounce it. This is from Luna B. These are Steve Madden. I don't know where this hat is from and I don't even know if I want to wear it or not. Period. Melanie?
Skirt is Addicted. Top, The Gap.
Oh, period. Slay.
Sunglasses, Amazon.
Not the purse in the bushes in front of Oscar de la Renta.
4K too, guys. That's
God,
crazy.
she's got BTS. You're a pink pony girl.
Oh, mama.
Okay, we're at a restaurant now. This chicken sandwich is insanity. Okay, let's do a little haul of everything we got. So they already had these bags like packed with stuff for us, and then like if you went around to the booths, they like some of them they like explained a little bit more about like what the products are and everything like that. It's a lot of skincare. Oh, there's first we got this package with skincare. I can't for the life of me open it, so like I don't know how it opens, but there's that. And then we have here, oh, This is Gimme Beauty. I've gotten some stuff from them. They have them at Target. They have really good elastics, like hair bands. And then I have a brush, a scrunchie, and a little clip. Super cute. Oh, this was super interesting. And Melanie was saying like she had heard of it, like maybe Lush had something similar to this. I don't know. But these are shampoo and conditioner bars. So like bars of soap, but shampoo and conditioner. So you like lather it in your hands and like use it. And they were talking about how it's like good for travel because, you know, with the liquids and stuff, these are like bars of shampoo and conditioner, which I thought was super cool and interesting. I'd never heard of that before. We got some John Masters Organics stuff. I've tried their shampoo and conditioner before, but this is hairspray, gel, leave-in conditioner, and I thought there was something else. Maybe not, but some hair stuff. Sorry about this like janky setup. I'm literally sitting on my bedroom floor. We got some water resistant adhesive spray. Oh, I think this is for wigs. And this is also like a hair kit and stuff. Like it has some styling gel and things from Eben. We got a cleansing balm. I don't know. Oh, that actually works. We got a cleansing balm here, little travel size. Oh, another John Masters Naturals. So it's the same as like the hair stuff, same company. This is like a face gel. Oh yeah, these are the hair ties from Gimme. I have black ones, so these are like cute little holiday colors. They're like pink and red. They're great rubber bands. Some beauty stuff. This is like a little, oh, a cute little so this is their beauty bento from Kaja Beauty. They were explaining it. It's like a little tiny like travel blush, highlight, and bronzer. So like it's three, like a little bento box. Like there's 3 little levels to it. And then this is a lip gloss too. Cute little like travel size stuff. And then I also picked up a Mary Ruth's Organics B Complex drops. And then I have more skincare in this bag from Obagi Medical. And then what I was shook about, like literally I was obsessed when I saw this table of board games. I got this new board game called Blank Slate. Whoa. So they had this game, Blank Slate. They had Tapple, which I already have. They had Telestrations, which I already have. And then they had this other game. It was like something about hues. I'm super excited about. Like literally petitioned to have more board games at gifting suites. I was obsessed when I saw this because something about me is I love a game night. I love a board game. My like really good family friends, they always are like into board games, so like we always get the newest one that they always get. Like we've gotten like 2 new games based off like ones that we've played at their house and like what we get, so that was super exciting to get. So yeah, that was everything that I got at the gifting suite. It is the next day now, and I have just been cleaning up around the house while also simultaneously doing a one-woman show of the Outsiders musical for Remy, and he has not been impressed so far, unfortunately. If you have the opportunity to go to New York, or if you live in New York and you have the opportunity to go to Broadway, you must see The Outsiders. It was amazing. Like I cannot recommend it enough. I've had multiple friends text me like either asking for suggestions of what to see on Broadway or like letting me know they're going to Broadway and like tell me what they're going to see, and then I say, well, are you gonna see The Outsiders because it was amazing? Or I'm like, you should go see The Outsiders because it was amazing. I just cannot get over like the lighting and the sound design mixed with the choreography, specifically for the Rumble. It was amazing, and just the whole show is so good. I need to go back. It's all I think about. I need to go back to New York. I need to move to New York. Something. it is dinner time now, and Daniel is at a work event, so it's just me for dinner, and we like barely have any groceries, so I just am gonna like whip up something that I can. We do have some salmon, so I'm gonna make some salmon, rice, and then we have an onion, cucumber, and avocado, so I think I'm gonna make like a little salad with some like oil and white vinegar and I don't know, some seasonings, and like have a little side salad, I guess you can call it. I don't know. So let's get that started. I already started making the rice and I already messed it up, so we're off to a great start. I usually like make the rice for both of us, and so doing it for me, I like put the wrong amount of water to rice and it was like all watery and ugh. Now I'm gonna season the salmon and cook that, and then I'll get started on my little salad thing. Okay, I just cut up some cucumber, avocado, and onion and put it together in a bowl with some white vinegar, olive oil, and just like some garlic salt. I made like this little salad side situation that I'm gonna put with my salmon and rice. Okay, and this is what I just threw together for my dinner tonight. Okay, so I fear that was not my best dinner I've ever made. I think I overcooked the salmon a little bit, but it was still good and I still ate it. Now I think I'm gonna watch the Real Housewives of Salt Lake City and then wait a little bit and get my mini ice cream cone from Trader Joe's. You guys, the mini ice cream cones are literally the best dessert ever. And now we're in bed. This is actually Remy and I every morning and every night. He lays like this on me. Happy Saturday now. We are at the grocery store and we are getting ingredients because we're going to a Friendsgiving tonight. So we're both bringing dishes. I'm making a green bean casserole and then Daniel's doing like some glazed carrots and stuff. I had to text my mom for the recipe. I made it last year for this Friendsgiving, but I kind of forgot how to make it. Oh, I don't know where I'm going. And so I texted her like what the ingredients were and everything, and it's literally so easy, like the easiest thing ever. It's like literally green beans and cream of mushroom soup, but I don't know, I can't find the green beans. Oh, they're right here. In true Lauren fashion, we got home and I realized I only grabbed 1 can of green beans and I need 2. So back to the store I go. Welcome back to my cooking show. Okay, so we're gonna be making the green bean casserole that is super, super easy. It's literally ingredients. This, cream of mushroom soup, 1 can. And then the 2 cans of green beans that I had to go back to the store for. 2 cans of French style green beans. And I literally think you just put that in a bowl and then you put that in the oven. And then you put the fried onions on top. They didn't have French's, that brand. Usually we use French's fried onions, so this is all the store had. I don't even know what brand this is, but they're still crispy onions. So that's what we're gonna use. Daniel's making his little glaze for his carrots right now. Okay, I need to drain there's like water in these green beans, so I need to drain all the water out. So gonna do that.
Hi, vlog.
Second can of green beans going to drain. This looks disgusting, but I promise you it's good. Okay, so I just took it out of the oven. It was in there for like 20 minutes, and now we add, the onions. And then this has to go back in the oven for like 10 minutes. Okay, these are Daniel's finished carrots. They look so pretty. And this is mine. Okay, let me give you guys a little fit check. This is what I'm wearing to the Friendsgiving. So this sweater is from We Wore What. These jeans are Dairy Boy. Oh, and then these earrings are just from Amazon. I gotta wear my glasses to see. That's it.
Want this out, yeah?
Hello and happy Sunday. Right now Daniel and I are at Disney, downtown Disney. I don't know if you can see me, the lighting is so bad, but we are gonna have like a little downtown Disney day today. So right now we're walking to the Disneyland Hotel because we're gonna go get some lunch at the restaurant that's by Trader Sam's. I don't remember what it's called, but last time Cassie and I were here, she got a poke bowl and Daniel was like, that looks fire, so we're gonna go get food there and then just walk around. I'm not sure exactly what else we're gonna do. Okay, we got these tempura green beans. Daniel, of course, got the poke bowl, looks so good. And then, obviously, I got teriyaki chicken, the kids' meal, and a Mr. Pibb because they didn't have Dr. Pepper. We just finished eating and that was super yummy. And now we're gonna go look at the shop inside of the Disneyland Hotel to see what they have. And then Cassie wanted me to check and see if they had these specific ears that she wanted, so we're on the hunt. Okay, we're looking at all the ears. These are not the ones that Cassie wanted, but these are cute. Are these little Mickeys? Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Okay, there's another little rack of ears. These Elsa ears. These princess, oh, the charm fell off of that one. There's a charm on these, Jasmine. These are stunning, honestly. I don't need any more ears though. Pirates, Moana, and then they have all like the classic ones here. I have those. And then they have this wall all full of Christmas stuff. This is the cardigan that everybody has. It's so cute, love. All of these, ooh, this is so soft. And then they have the snowman ears. I think they had those last year. And then the Santa Mickey ears up there. Oh, they have these little like Sherpa ears, cute. And pajamas. We came into this other little store right by the lobby. They have some ear options. They have the churro ears. So cute. Okay, we're in World of Disney now. Daniel just left and he just said, I'm going on the hunt, so he's gonna go look. I'm at the ear wall and I don't see them, but I do see these Cinderella ears and I don't know if they're new or not, but they're these. They're really, really cute and they have the clock in the center and this color really pretty. This sweater is super cute for Christmas. I love that it's like stitching and embroidered on here. They got lots of the beige sweater that I'm wearing right now. Okay, now we're walking to Pixar Place Hotel because Daniel has not seen it renovated and rebranded to Pixar Place. So I'm so excited to show him. It's literally my favorite hotel here at Disneyland, and so I'm excited to show him everything and how cute it is. If you guys know, he got me a stay here for my birthday with Cassie and Ingrid, so he booked me the stay here and he's never even seen the hotel, so I'm excited to show him like where we stayed. It's the Pixar ball and the lamp. What'd you think?
Beautiful.
We're at the pool now. Lounge areas, super, super nice. There's the pool, and then babe, come here, look. All of the fire pits have like all of the fire characters, like that's Ember, Lava, Anger from Inside Out, and then Jack Jack from Incredibles. Alright, back home now, and that is going to be the end of today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please leave a like and a comment and subscribe for more. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok because that is where I'm the most active, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!